Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ecoflow River 3 portable power station. 245 watt hours, 7.5 pounds. DC charging port, USB-A and USB-C ports, and 2 AC ports. This can do 300 watts continuous AC with a 600 watt start, 120 volts at a true 60 hertz sine wave. That means it's safe for your sensitive electronics. This is a lithium iron phosphate battery, and this should give you about 3,000 full charges in its lifetime. 3,000! That's about 10 years of use. This thing has the IP54 waterproof rating. It comes with an AC adapter. It can charge from 0 to full in 1 hour. It also comes with a cigarette lighter adapter to take it on the go and charge it with your car. This adapter will also allow it to take direct power from a solar panel. The display gives you live monitoring of input and output, and you get full app support with this device, so you can control it, program it, and monitor it from your phone. It also functions as a UPS. That is an uninterrupted power supply. So if this unit is plugged into the wall and the power goes out, the light still stays on. You can use this UPS function to protect computers, fish tanks, and in case of an emergency, this unit will charge your phone from dead at least 20 times.
How much?
How much?
Crazy. What a deal.